Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. We're so happy you are here with us today.
If you are new here, welcome. This is a safe place to learn English. We go slowly, we repeat things, we explain carefully. You don't need to worry.
That's right. Just relax, listen, and enjoy. You will understand more than you think.
Today's episode is about a very relatable situation, a long, tiring day at work. Have you ever had one of those days?
Oh, I have those days all the time.
Well, today you are going to hear a real conversation between two coworkers, Anna and David. That's us, by the way.
Yes, we are using our own names today, so pay attention. The characters in the story are also called Anna and David.
It will be fun. And after the conversation, we will explain the words and phrases together. So don't worry if you miss something the first time. We've got you.
Let's get started.
Picture this. It's a rainy Thursday evening. The sky is gray, the air is cold. Anna and David work in a small office. It has been a very long day. They are walking out of the building together, their bags are heavy, their eyes are tired, and the rain is just starting.
Not the best evening, but at least they have each other.
Let's listen.
Oh no, it's raining. Of course it is.
I knew it. I checked the weather this morning. I was ready.
You always check the weather. I never check the weather. I am the problem.
Yes, David, you are the problem.
Okay. Can we share your umbrella just until the bus stop?
Fine, but only because I'm a kind person.
You are the kindest person I know, truly.
Stop. You're only saying that because you need my umbrella.
Maybe a little. So, how is your day? Actually, don't answer that. I was there. I saw everything.
It was a lot. I'm so done.
Same. I was so done by 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock? David, we still had 4 more hours after that.
I know. I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. But can I tell you something first?
Always.
You know that moment in the morning meeting when Kevin was presenting his slides?
Oh no. Which part?
He had a typo on the screen, a really big typo, right there in the title, in big letters.
What did it say?
It said pubic relations instead of public relations.
No.
Yes, and nobody said anything. Everyone just sat there looking at the screen, trying not to laugh.
I didn't see that. I must have been looking at my coffee.
You missed the best moment of the year.
I am devastated, truly. Did anyone say something?
Sandra almost did. You know how Sandra is. She started making this face, this very strange face.
The Sandra face. I know the Sandra face.
And then Kevin looked at her and she coughed. She pretended to cough.
That's brilliant. Sandra saved everyone.
I didn't know what to do. I looked at my notebook. I almost lost it completely.
Almost lost it. That means you almost started laughing, right?
I was so close. My eyes were watering.
See, this is why I need to pay more attention in meetings.
For the typos?
For the entertainment. What about the afternoon? The thing with the printer.
Oh, don't remind me.
I'm reminding you.
So, I needed to print 20 copies of the report. 20. And I sent it to the printer. I waited. Nothing came out. So, I sent it again. Still nothing. So, I thought maybe I sent it to the wrong printer. So, I sent it a third time.
Oh no, I see where this is going.
And then, all 3 jobs printed at the same time. 60 copies, 60 pages each. The printer was running for 10 minutes.
The whole office must have heard it.
Mark came over and said, "Are you printing a book?" And I just stood there with 60 copies of a report I only needed 20 of.
I love that. That is the most Anna thing I've ever heard.
I wanted to disappear. I genuinely did not know what to do with myself.
What did you do with all the copies?
I recycled 58 of them and hoped nobody noticed.
You recycled 58 copies. That's so funny and so responsible at the same time.
I'm multi-talented.
You really are. Okay, my turn. Can I tell you something embarrassing?
Please, I need this.
So I was on a call with a client, big client, important call, and I forgot to mute myself.
No, David.
And my phone rang, my actual phone, with my ringtone.
What's your ringtone?
It's a little bit of a reggae song.
A reggae song in the middle of a client call.
It played for about 5 seconds before I grabbed it. 5 very long seconds.
What did the client say?
He said, "Nice music," and then he laughed, so I think it was okay.
That's actually kind of charming, David.
I was not feeling charming in that moment. I was feeling bright red.
Oh, I wish I had been there.
I'm glad you weren't. One of us needed to stay professional today.
The bus is not coming, is it?
It says 12 more minutes.
12 minutes in the rain.
Your umbrella is doing its best.
My umbrella is one person's umbrella, David.
Okay, what do you want to do? There's a little tea place just down the street. We could wait there.
A tea place?
They also have cake.
David, why didn't you say that first?
I thought the tea was enough.
The cake is always the selling point. Let's go.
After you.
Okay, let's pause there. That was the first part of the conversation. How are you feeling? Did you follow it?
Don't worry if you missed some things. We are going to look at the most important phrases now, and we will keep it simple.
First, I'm so done. David's character said this. When we say I'm so done, it means I am completely finished. I have no more energy. I cannot do any more.
It's very informal, very natural. You say it to a friend. I'm so done with today. I'm so done with this project. It doesn't mean angry. It just means exhausted and finished.
Next, I almost lost it. Anna's character said this when she was trying not to laugh. To lose it means to lose control, usually laughing, sometimes crying. I almost lost it means I was very close to laughing or crying, but I stopped myself.
It's a great phrase, very common. When he told me that joke, I almost lost it.
Another one. I didn't know what to do with myself. This is a very natural English expression. It means I felt so embarrassed or awkward. I didn't know how to act.
It's a little bit funny and a little bit honest. When she walked in, I didn't know what to do with myself. You feel confused by your own emotions.
And finally, bright red. David's character said he was feeling bright red. This means your face turns red from embarrassment.
It's very visual, right? You can picture it. She turned bright red when the teacher called her name. We all know that feeling.
Okay, now let's continue with Anna and David. They made it to the tea shop.
This is much better.
Much better. Warm. Dry. Oh, they have lemon cake.
I told you.
You were right. I forgive you for the umbrella situation.
Thank you. That means a lot.
To server. 1 lemon cake and a mint tea, please.
Same for me, but make it chamomile.
So, what's really on your mind? You seem a little quiet.
Am I? I think I'm just tired in a deeper way. You know? Not just body tired, like inside tired.
Yes, I know exactly what you mean. It's been a heavy few weeks.
The project, the deadlines, the emails that never stop. I feel like I can never fully switch off.
I know. I was talking to my sister last night, and she asked how work was, and I just sighed. I didn't even say words, just a big sigh.
That sigh said everything.
She understood immediately.
What does she do when she's stressed?
She goes for a walk. Long walks. She says it helps her clear her head.
That sounds nice. I usually just sit on the sofa and watch something silly on TV.
That also works.
I watched a show about competitive cheese making last week.
Competitive cheese making?
It's very dramatic. You'd be surprised.
Okay, I believe you.
The point is, I didn't think about work once for 45 minutes. It was amazing.
That's the goal, isn't it? Just a little break inside your own head.
Exactly. We need that.
Oh, this looks wonderful.
See? Things are already better.
Okay, yes, much better.
Told you, tea and cake fix everything.
Not everything, but most things.
Most things is enough.
You know what I'm grateful for today?
What?
That I got to laugh. Even on a hard day, we laughed.
That's true. The typo alone was worth the whole day.
Pubic relations.
Poor Kevin. He'll never know.
Let's keep it that way.
Okay, friends, let's think about today's conversation together. I want you to imagine you are Anna or David. You've had a long day. What happened?
First, there was a funny moment in the morning meeting. A big typo on the screen. Nobody said anything. Anna almost lost it.
That's the phrase, almost lost it. She was so close to laughing. Have you ever been in a situation where you had to try really hard not to laugh? It's one of the hardest feelings.
Then Anna had a printer problem. She sent the document too many times. 60 copies came out. She felt embarrassed. She didn't know what to do with herself.
And David, forgot to mute himself on a client call. His reggae ringtone played for the whole meeting. He turned bright red.
But the client laughed too, so it was okay. Sometimes embarrassing moments become good stories.
And then at the cafe, they talked about feeling tired. Not just body tired, but inside tired. That's a real thing, isn't it?
It really is. We all feel that sometimes. And what helped them? Talking, laughing, warm tea, lemon cake.
Venting. Do you remember that word? To vent means to talk about your problems and feelings to someone you trust. It helps you feel lighter.
Like opening a window when a room is too warm. The air comes in. You can breathe again.
Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you.
Have you ever had a day like Anna and David's? Tell us in the comments. What was the funniest or most embarrassing thing that happened to you at work or school?
And what do you do after a long, tiring day? Do you go for a walk, watch TV, call a friend?
Write it below. We read every single comment. It is genuinely our favorite part of making this show.
And if you are still listening, type the word chamomile in the comments. We want to know who made it to the tea shop with us today.
I love that. Chamomile it is. Now let's listen to the conversation one more time. This time it will be a little shorter, a little smoother. You know the words now, you know the story. Just relax and enjoy.
Oh, great. Rain.
I knew. I came prepared. Umbrella?
You're a savior.
So, long day?
I was so done by 2 o'clock.
Same. But hey, did you see the typo in Kevin's presentation?
I missed it. What did it say?
Public relations.
Gasp. No. And nobody said anything?
Sandra almost lost it, but she pretended to cough.
That's brilliant. I'm devastated I missed it.
And then I had the printer situation. I sent the document 3 times by mistake. 60 copies.
60 copies?
I didn't know what to do with myself. I just quietly recycled 58 of them.
And I forgot to mute myself on a client call. My ringtone played 5 full seconds of reggae.
The client said, "Nice music."
I turned bright red. It was not my best moment.
It's a great story, though.
The bus is 12 minutes away. There's a tea place down the road. They have cake.
Why didn't you say cake first?
Let's go. Better?
So much better. You know, even on a hard day, we laughed.
That's worth something.
It's worth a lot. And this cake is excellent.
Told you, tea and cake fix most things.
Most things is enough. And that, friends, is our episode for today. Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
You showed up, you listened, you tried. That is everything.
Learning a language takes time. It is not always easy. Some days you understand a lot. Some days you feel lost. That is completely normal.
The important thing is you keep going, just like Anna and David kept going through their long day.
Every episode you watch, every word you learn, every phrase you practice, it adds up. Slowly, quietly, it adds up.
And we are here with you every day. Same time, same warmth, same tea.
Well, you bring your own tea.
Right, you bring your own tea, we bring the English.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please give it a like. It really helps more learners find us.
Subscribe so you never miss a new episode, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
You are doing so well, truly. We are proud of you.
Until next time, take care of yourself, rest when you need to, laugh when you can.
And remember, even on the hard days, there's usually a little something worth smiling about.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time. Bye for now.